In today's video, I want to educate you on the thought process of investing and trading even when you have little capital of, let's say, $10. What I'm about to share with you guys today, the odds of investing, trading, is going to open your mind to understand that at times you don't need money, like so much money, to invest or to start trading. What you need is a proper strategy to help you compound, build wealth by taking profits gradually throughout your investment process. If you are able to make 10% out of $10 and you consistently make 10% out of $10 every week or every month, imagine if, say, you have $100 or $1,000. It's gonna be the same way. You're gonna be making 10% every now and then. And when you master this strategy, then there's nothing that can stop you from making money in this industry, regardless the condition of the market. The way I go about approaching my investment or the way I go about approaching project out there is different from the way most people out there approach it. I look at Bitcoin as my catalyst. Bitcoin is the biggest, greatest cryptocurrency in the world. The only cryptocurrency that is worldwide adopted by governments, financial institutions, and big billionaires or big players in the financial industry. So if you see this guy is looking at this one asset to be one of the greatest assets in the world until governments are issuing ETF, then it should come to your mind that this asset has the most liquidity. And if, say, this asset is moving, then all other cryptocurrencies are going to be moving. And if, say, this asset isn't moving and a particular coin is moving, that coin which is moving is going to fall back because that asset is moving. I've took so much time to understand the entire crypto market and I've seen how it moves. And what I've come to understand is that most people who actually lose money in this industry are those who are greedy. Those who come in and they want to make money fast, they want to make it so quick, and they forget that they are playing with billionaires, whales, those who have a lot of money. These guys move the market like that. And if, say, you are not ready or already in the market before they move the market, you're going to be buying when they are going to be dumping it on you. So when you look at the macro aspect of investing or trading cryptocurrencies, then you come to the conclusion that when you apply this particular strategy that I teach every now and then on my platform, you are going to be able to make money regardless. Let me tell you guys how I approach the market. Let's say, for example, right now I have $100 or $50, and I am gonna buy something, right? What I'm gonna do is at least keep $25 in USDT and keep the rest in Bitcoin. Now, why am I keeping the rest in Bitcoin? I'm keeping the rest in Bitcoin because I've realized that if Bitcoin is dropping 10%, there are altcoins that have low cap that are going to drop about 15% or 30% or 50%. And these altcoins, the reason they are dropping is not because they are bad, it's because when liquidity is flowing out of Bitcoin, these guys are seeing it as an opportunity to sell those altcoins and buy Bitcoin cheaper. Their whole idea is to print more Bitcoin through this altcoin. So they have made a lot of money, and they are using these altcoins to make more Bitcoin. Their goal is to make as many Bitcoin as possible. That's their mindset, because Bitcoin is security, Bitcoin is digital gold, and Bitcoin can help them long term in terms of securing loan in big banks or in terms of looking at it as an asset class that is recognized worldwide. They wouldn't be holding all of the asset or most of the asset in Dogecoin because Dogecoin is so volatile. They can use Dogecoin, because of the narrative of Dogecoin, like Elon Musk is in Dogecoin. And if Elon Musk is going to use Dogecoin as a payment on X platform, then the price of Dogecoin is going to move to the upside. And when that happens, they are there to cash out on you, if say you are not already in the market before that happened. So the way I go about investing in this altcoin is I look at coins. I take time. Whenever I come across any coin, I try to understand if this coin moves alongside Bitcoin or move after Bitcoin has moved. There are currencies or cryptos that move immediately when Bitcoin is moving, and there are cryptocurrencies that move after Bitcoin has moved. So if say you are able to understand the asset that you are buying, you won't be spending so much time trying to buy any other asset out there when someone tells you this is gonna pump or it's gonna do like that. You're gonna be eliminating all the noise out there and you focus on an asset that you know have a good fundamentals and have a good team behind it and the technicals is good. So if say Bitcoin is moving 10%, you know that this asset, the way it moves, it's gonna move about 20%. And if you lose 5% or 10% when Bitcoin was going down, and this asset also lose about 30%, now you are buying this asset with your Bitcoin. And when it moves 30%, you've made more money. And now you sell it back into Bitcoin. And you now look for other coin with and buy it with your USDT if say Bitcoin is falling, and you buy that coin with your Bitcoin and then use the USDT to buy the other coin. So now you have invested in two cryptocurrencies that you are sure that move alongside Bitcoin. Let me explain to you guys something. The market moves in waves. When it goes up, it comes down. It always go up and come and retest structure or retest different levels, different price levels. So if you understand market structure and you see that now we are in an uptrend or now we are in a downtrend and you see that trend has been broken, and if trend has been broken to the upside, you know that if price is coming to retest this level, what you can do is use part of your USDT to buy that same project. And if that project move about 30%, now you have extra money where you can buy other altcoin. The same process. So you can use 6 months to build a portfolio from $10 to $100 or from $100 to about $300 or let's say $1,000. And you keep doing this over and over again. And you're going to realize that if you're able to make 10% every now and then from your $100 investment, right? The 10% won't always be the same amount that you make always. So let's say, for example, you make 10%, which is going to be, let's say, $10. After that, you're gonna have $110, and if you're able to make another 10%, you're gonna have $120. That's how you keep building until you're gonna get about $500. So the reason I'm doing this video is because I want you guys to understand this. Crypto is here to stay. Don't rush anything. Don't want to make money fast. Trust me. Don't do that. If you do that, you're gonna be losing money every now and then. And if say you buy a meme coin or you buy any low cap out there and it makes you 10%, 20%, 1x, sell and take out the profit. You can take out your initial investment and allow the profit to stay in it. You look for something else with that investment. And if say that coin will trace back or you see pull back, and you know that this coin moves alongside Bitcoin, you are buying now with certainty that if say Bitcoin moves, this altcoin will move. Now, the altcoins that move after Bitcoin, when you see Bitcoin move, you're in Bitcoin. Now you know that Bitcoin has moved and break structure, or Bitcoin is still in structure, making higher highs and higher lows. You know that after Bitcoin has made that move, this altcoin is going to follow the same way and make that move. And in this case, it's going to be more upside in terms of low liquidity. The reason why you see this coin move huge to the upside is because they have low liquidity. But Bitcoin has high liquidity. And if say Bitcoin moves 10%, it wouldn't be really like it's gonna take a lot of money to move Bitcoin 10%. But it's gonna take a little amount of money to move low cap coin 10%. That's why you see the amount of money which is being used to move Bitcoin to 10%. If that amount of money is used on a particular altcoin, you can move that altcoin to about 10x or 1x or 2x or whatever x it is. And when you see that, you know that you are playing with people who have experience than you. They are there to cash out before you cash out, to dump it on you. Immediately you are out. And when you are out, when they dump the price back to the where it started, now you can buy it again cheaper and pump it again to maybe the next high, bring it down, pump it, bring it down, pump it until you see the coin keep going like this. So this is a mindset I've developed, and this is the reason why I am always in profit, regardless of what is going on in the market. If my portfolio is down about 30%, I know I have about 60% opportunity to grow that portfolio when price recovers. And I'm doing this because I know I have Bitcoin, USDT, and I have altcoins that doesn't move that much. And when I see this altcoin for like 30%, now I'm looking for altcoin that I have already studied. I know how to move. I do crypto full time, and I know that the top 100 coins or the top 500 coins, they have opportunity in the market to keep moving like that, provided they have good narrative. They are in AI, gaming, memes, so you can name it L1, L2, real world asset. All these are narratives that if you build your mindset in particular in any of them, you're gonna be able to make money every week investing or trading any cryptocurrencies out there. And one thing I've realized about my style, which is so powerful, is that I don't play so much with leverage. No, I look at all coins that can make me 1x, 2x. They have this potential, like 3x upside. And I play with those altcoins. And I know that if this altcoin is going to be making me, let's say the upside is 10x, I know if I'm able to cash 8x or 5x, that's going to be enough money. I must not cash the whole move. No, I work on structure. I'm not going to be focusing on a particular project, leave my money in it, which is not Bitcoin or Ethereum. I will not be looking for more opportunities. That's why I recommend you guys to be part of my community. I do this full time and I share project that if say you see, okay, now you are in USDT and I've gone through my analysis and tell you guys that, okay, this project, I'm buying this project. You can now look at it as well and say, okay, maybe you're going to buy it with your USDT. And if Bitcoin is pumping, then you know that this coin can make you money. And when I say I'm selling, you can sell as well and take out your profit. So these are all ways in which I go about investing in this industry, and I can help anyone out there, regardless who you are. Your background, you don't have any money. I can help you start making money. I can even give you $10 and teach you how to do it. But I don't want to work with people, or I don't want to deal with people who are not serious, people who are so greedy, people who don't want to put themselves down and learn. I don't care if say you know someone who made money with $1, $2, $10. You know what I do care is if that person is able to educate you on how you can go about doing the same thing, and if they cannot educate you on that thought process, then they are fooling you. They are lying to you. But I am someone. Whatever I do it on my live stream. I do it on my videos. You guys can see that I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I'm not playing around. I've gained experience in this industry, and I'm here to help you succeed in this game. And I don't do this because I want to show that I'm the best in the industry. I do this because I've gone through the experience of losing money in this industry until I develop something which is working. And this something which is working, it works with people who have little or no knowledge in the industry. I don't want you to go and follow people who are going to tell you buy this, buy that, do that, and they don't know how to educate you on how to exit or on how to go about protecting yourself and keep compounding, making money. I want you to follow people who are there to support you, to build with you gradually until you become sustainable. That's who I am. I'm not gonna tell you you're gonna become a millionaire buying this. No, I'm gonna tell you can make money buying this, and we keep looking at more opportunities. Look at cryptocurrency as you go into the market to shop. There are a lot of product, a lot of different, sellers, and you're gonna choose which seller to buy from. And when you buy from that seller, the quality of that product is gonna be determined by those who are gonna buy it from you. So when you're selling your cryptocurrency, you are selling to someone who value it at that price. So you should understand that. Don't go and buy a project that you cannot sell it to someone else. That's why I recommend you to be part of my community, part of my VIP. The link is found below this video. Join my Telegram. And if say you are part of my Telegram and you haven't joined my VIP group yet, trust me, you should join my VIP group. And now you cannot say that you don't have money to be part of my VIP group because I have been giving you guys opportunity to join my VIP group for free. I've given countless opportunities for you guys to grab free VIP membership, but you guys are not serious. You are not available to be part of my live stream. The reason why I want you to be part of my live stream is because I want to see you support what I do. And when I see that you support what I do, you are a part of my live stream, you appreciate what I do, I'm gonna give you giveaway. I cannot give you giveaway because like you are not there available, you're just doing your own stuff and you want me to give you free giveaway for what? So if you're out there watching me right now and you really want to change your life, you want to take your life to the next level, you are struggling with investing, trading, you're looking for somebody to help you. I am that guy for you. I want to take you from ground level towards that level where you know sit back and say, wow, this guy is a genius. I am good at what I do. I confidently tell you that what I do it with love, with joy, with happiness. It's something I've gone through over and over again. And whenever I go live, I share my content, I talk about stuff. You can see the passion in me. It's because I enjoy doing this. I love doing this. I want to see people succeed genuinely. That's why if so you follow my live stream every now and then, you won't need to be part of my VIP anyways, but you're gonna be my VIP not because you wanna get education of what I'm buying. You're gonna be part of my VIP because you wanna be part of my community and be part of someone who has helped you to be who you are today. So if say you want to put yourself together, you want to start afresh, then reach out to me. Comment below what you think is your problem. Are you going through? Let me know what you are going through so I can create content to help you, to target you, so you learn and others can learn from your experience as well. Take advantage of my buy and sell signal. What I buy, I share in my group for those who are part of it to take advantage of. And in the future, you are going to realize that this is a place you want to be forever and ever. So, if this content was helpful to you and you want me to keep creating more of such content to help you throughout your investment journey, then feel free to smash the subscribe button right now. It's free, it won't cost you anything. Thumbs up and share my content with someone else out there. And if you want to take it to the next level, be part of my VIP. Until then, guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.